I go by the name of JDon. When I say JDon, y'all say? When I say JDon, y'all say? Holy fuck, yo. Keep hearing life's a bitch. I think it's time I probably need to never live the day my mama said a leave was a dreamer. Deeper sleeper, having visions with my eyes closed. In the fast lane, you couldn't pass me if I drive slow.
Oh, baby. Yeah. So here we go again. This is
come closer to the fucking stage, yo. We don't fight. This is hip hop, motherfuckers. Come to the front of the fucking stage, yo.
Oh, baby. I kind of feel as if this whole world is so. I see the differences inside each soul. The only difference is behind these walls.
Kept thinking, why to keep hating? Been hella backing on my bills with my patience. Paychecks couldn't afford to pay the rent. Spins it all the way until it made sense. Make dollars, then I start signing checks. Bitches talking on shit like who got next? We got now. Told you that I'd make it out. Still talking on shit, bitch. Shut your mouth. Be quiet, tonight is the night that we riding. Who's rockin', who's rollin', you bitches ain't owning the shit that you hold. And I'm hosting the shit that I'm throwing. You bitches all know this. East side of when I moved up north. T-Dot, city fan makes some noise. No choice when I'm all in the face. Quality pop got something while starting to race. Fuck around.
Big C, no time to quit, no one to cheat six. Just water what she brings, besides some cheap drinks. Boys is some cliche, I'll show you my new ways. I'll show you what you do, put it on replay, girl. I'll go my bitch got me moving quick, but I like it. I know my shit. Bitch got me moving quick, but I like it.
I'm not a hyper go-getter, but I'm a microphone wetter. Sometimes I keep an essay even though I should know better. It's just talking juicy when the music moves groovy. The words are at least have taste. Whether you carry your words when you speak, are they in your hip pocket or clenched in your teeth? Do they eat from your gut or slip out in your sleep? Whether you carry your words when you speak. Tight lip, do you keep them in a vice grip? Never with a nice grip, scared of what you might slip? Or do you wear them in your heart? Even when you are apart, your girl get a start from? Yeah, that's fine. Some dialects still will cab in the face. Babble jockeys doesn't matter the race. Forget the you can call them all. Kick a raw draw, fall a fall, raw. Your tongue is in your cheek now, not into the sweet sound. Linguistically I freak out, all over beat town. Somebody's gonna ask you how you relay your words. But you remember that to speak is more than a verb. Are you the type to confuse loud with good? If you've never had a filter there, maybe you should. I know some have in conversations, so they lack the elocution, but they sense of concentration. They become long in the tooth that they can try, but just can't reach what we use language called speech.
When I'm talking, so something
I've got you in a world of pain with my methodless vertebrae in a second. My murder take possession. This cassette plays reckless, so the tape stretches. My fate's extended while your players get infected, and there's no rejection. Got the remote, control your whole machine with no discretion. I'm on repeat mode till you speak slow. Plays in session with my peoples. That's how the beat goes. That's how the beat goes on.
by the way that I hold you in my arms to show you I love you. I'm dying to feel your tender charms, 'cause I love you. It's okay if we didn't have an early start. Bear in mind that I love you. Do my best to make sure we never part, baby. I love you. I love you. It
you on top of my dick. Let's split between two chairs like your band-aid lady. Well, like that some shit. Once to miss out my own presumption. I tried to run shit, missed the game. Flow so high, now I'm spitting flame. Coming up your chain, gonna guard your face. Then rush up, trying to solve the case. I was in the right mind, wrong place. Traveling the right path, wrong ways. I've gone for days, at my own race. I'm slow pace, at my own stage. I'm going to take, I'm going to break. I do things right, got my own vibe, on my own time. But I'm all right, pretty much fine, but it's in my own mind. Shit, I think I might be lost. Where the hell have I been? Every time I put my head down, my mind spins lost. Just so you don't keep it going. I'ma fuck you where you stand. I know you want me. You know you want me to. Just for a minute. Walk one by. Just for a minute. Get up on me like you want sisters. Come and tell them we don't need no consent. You know people be lying out things. I gotta tell you this. I can't get you on my sister. I can't get you on my sister. I want more. I can't get you on my sister. I want more. I can't get you on my sister. I want more. Bring it, go! You got your chairs, you gon' let me sing. See, I get it, you're my water, you're my vitamins. I think I need a shot of morphine. Man, go burn this battlefield. She's my alcohol, she has my narcotics. We might put her there, but everything is habit. You're playing chip on deep in my system. No matter how I read this, I'm still a victim. Yeah, they put me like it was his disease. Come and tell them you know that's it. You know the put me on my teeth. I gotta tell you this. I can't get you on my system. I want more. I can't get you on my system. I want more. I can't get you on my system. I want more. I can't get you out of my system. I want more.
Stay up, nigga, once you roll up, say what, I'm trying to stay up, nigga, wake up, it's time to roll up, on the block, people gotta tap, it's time to wonder, like Stevie, believe me, cause I'll be no cop, ain't easy, cherry on top, go, to see, don't deliver side here, and the rock so deep, so quick, what's next, putting out this food to see, piling the stacking, you keep calling, blowing up, through this stacking like Santa, from the 6 to the banner, I'm trying to roll up, say what, I'm trying to stay up.
What? But you already know that. My whole city wild. All the MCs, they don't stand a chance at all. My whole city, yo. It's the T.O. Home of the great, picture hard balls. Like I play for the Jays, busy playing other games for the pay. Reppin' A1, I pay the price to say stuff in the booth behind bars of cage and piss. Cause I ain't put my bitch in days. So which bitch nigga got some shit to say? Or you high top now, then you quick to fade. Backwood, whole new green, so good. But the hood still mean, still rough. And tough, no afro puff. Dress tighter, I shake 'em up. Flexing like a wild boy. High socks and low shorts. Hunger game is a blood sport. Hustle hard, only break time is when it's take time. So who won't beef there? Have for trying to take mine. Let 'em off, fly off the hook. Hang dry now, look, I'll cook. I'm deep, so who should? Better guard your castle from these crooks. Mama told me not to join the game, but Papa got a brand new bag of toys for me to bang. Man, I need everybody that's in the back chilling. I get it, you feel me? But this is a show. So if you fucking with a show, my nigga, I need all y'all niggas to come up here right quick. If that's okay, I mean, you ain't paid money to get in here for no reason. If you ain't gonna come up here, I'm gonna come down here and come fuck with you. Listen, see, dude been doing good since he was 14, 15, shoot boxes high off the crack fiends. 16, I know who to trust and was by any means. 17, he went to school, high was the way to be. 18, got respect from doing dirt in the streets, keeping it comfortable for his family was his specialty. Had things on his waist in case he hurt the gate. Know that if he fails, that's the last meal
now as time goes on, people living good while he's doing so wrong. Got the hammers in the blocks out, make the boys flock out. Nigga, you done dropped out. 21, they feeling him. Shorties wanna sling with him. Keep that thing tucked in the mother thing stashed for him. Know that if he goes, they gon' hold it down right for him. Know that if he goes, they gon' always keep it tight for him. Smooth seas never made good sailors. I'm looking clean, woman to my tailor. Wasn't always fresh, try to be the best. My mom did what she could just to help get the rest. Life is stress, did what we could. See little girls growing up fast, that was the hood. Feeling like death row, the streets of me was shook. When I used to sit and dream about life in Hollywood, that was stupid. Be bougie if you want to, but you came out your house for this. Hey, oh, what up, baby? Get with it, don't mind them critics. Get that cash, nigga, mind your business. Why? You a bad bitch, you a bad bitch, you a bad bitch. Nigga, bad bitch, nigga, bad bitch, nigga, bad bitch. Now come get with it, come get this crib, get that money, come get that dream. You a bad bitch, yeah. You a bad bitch, you a bad bitch. What up, man? We in Barry right now. My niggas looking lavish. I said fuck yo nigga, he an average. Dismiss these hoes that we been through, cause you know them bitches is baggage. They ain't about this life that we live in. Summertime swimming pool full of women. Got all this money on me. So tonight, yeah, you know that we winning. Drop top and I'm cruising, 4-1 riding, hand on the wheel, other hand on the side. Hit it, he can hit it like a this kid. Like yo, mama, this my new boyfriend. My mama hates your ass though. You be killing out too fast. Why he always call past 3? And why he always smell like weed? My mama hates your ass. You be killing out too fast. Why he always call past 3? And why you always smell like weed? They ain't ready for the shit that I spit. They ain't ready for the real I'm coming with. They ain't ready for the badass bitch. Now I'm never gonna switch for the ones real run this. They ain't ready for the way I say this. I'm the chick in the top of the playlist. They ain't ready for the girls I fuck with. They ain't rockets, never gonna touch it. Versace, I blew up this track in one new crater. And drop on my head so it's out and these balls and they think I'm okay now. They told me stop taking it easy cause I've been killing them all. I'm back where I'm chopping these beats, my verses are off of the wall. I'm on the ball, they ready for battle and I'm who they call. I told them to play with me, they underrate me up under these rappers and leave them to troll. Down, get a Bobby pause. I came on the track and that's like they mess with it, you check that that's in my car. Bars, I think about it when I open my eyes, I get in the vibe. Words circulate through my mind, I break out of this confusion, illusion, and hip hop. A true artist hears the beat before the beat drops. How can I stop? My mind's locked to these stops. I'm making music from my block to your block. I wanna free up and be on my way. Caught up in this place for fakes and child play. I wanna run away and go where I see better days. I'm educated and I'm far from just a letter grade. I've been a diamond in the dirt, but they missed it. Don't need authorities to tell me that I'm gifted. Mind the glitches, don't wanna see me fail. New paths coming up and leaving no trail. I'd rather quality for quantity and take the L, cause I am not for sale. I tell them I'm ticked off when I turn on the TV. I see the music industry trying to deceive me. Whatever happened to the real hip hop and real recognize real, and I can look at them and see me.
Yo, you can't be homie when you get the rope. Yeah, enough, I did it still. You get enough, then I bet you will. I bet you will. Spend the night, it's not right. Leave it up to you to do what's right. Fuck it, cause shit, I ain't your type. A lot of this beat cause I fiend at it. A lot of these moments I keep at it. Bragging, she got reason, she do whatever to please daddy. She for you, next place us to be here. This is nigga try to see tears. This nigga try to beware. I got you, whatever you say, I got you. Whatever you say, I got you, I got you, I got you.
All black and on that. All black and on that. Your man's feeling me. Just to let you know, if you got a problem with that, you should let him know. Stina said cuteness, nice ass, couldn't last. All this, beyond that. All this, beyond that. Moving forward by standing still, yeah. Filling my glass and praying won't spill. Oh, create a breeze for lungs to breathe and a path to follow my dreams, yeah. Smoking my music, then get high, yeah.
What? You will and